Welcome to jazztime.com. Today we're going to be reviewing the Cartier Santos 100XL W20073X8. We're going to go through some pricing, the dial, the bezel, the bracelet, and the buckle, and let you know where you can buy it at jazztime.com for the lowest price anywhere online. As of 2016 December, the retail price is roughly $7,000 US, and you can buy them pre-owned at JazzTime for roughly less than $3,000, and you can buy them new for roughly 20% off. So check us out at jazztime.com. Now moving forward, looking at the dial here, as you can see, it's white, and what makes it somewhat special is the dial has it's square. First of all, that's quite special. There's not a lot of watches with square dials, but it also has these rounded edges. And the Santos model was made famous when Louis Cartier, the owner, had a friendship with an aviator named Alberto Santos Dumont. And their kinship allowed them to create this model in which the Santos is that you see in front of you. Now, some other notable things about the front of this watch is that it has on the bezel screws, as you see here, and these exposed screws are it's quite unique. Not every bezel you can see these rounded screws on the edge right here. Now moving on to the case. Now the case is 41 millimeters. That actually, I measured it earlier, is between my thumb and my middle finger. So it's actually the outside of the case, not from here to here. It's actually from thumb to the edge of the crown, or edge of this spot you see right there. That is 41 millimeters, and 51 millimeters is actually, I took the measuring tool earlier, and it's from my index finger to my thumb. And that one's 51 millimeters. So it's not actually as humongous as you think. And the thickness is 10 millimeters. It also has a water resistance to 100 meters. Now moving on to the bracelet, it's going to use a crocodile or an alligator skin strap, and it has a double folding steel buckle. They actually call it a triple folding steel buckle. I'm not sure why, because it looks like it only folds double to me, but that's what they have it on the website. So it folds once like this, click, and a second time like that. And to release, you simply press on the sides, and it pops out, just like that. So you actually size it to your wrist prior with this. You either fold the leather back, as you see here. Okay, and then that way it's fit to your wrist every time. Now moving on to the movement. The movement is automatic movement. It's a Cartier movement. I believe it's an ETA movement that's been modified so that for Cartier. Okay, now let's try this watch on the wrist. If you like this watch or you like this video and you want to see other videos like it, subscribe to us below or check us out at jazztime.com. We offer the lowest price, free shipping, and a 1-year warranty. So check us out at jazztime.com. This watch you can get for right now for around $2,500, $3,000 used at JazzTime.